Wow, a new way to make money with Selvia without building a store from scratch. Stay with me because this one is worth seeing. You can now buy a fully built, ready to run store in the fashion niche. The niche is chosen, the products are loaded, and there's even an AI content creator included to help promote it. You show up, put your name on it, and start selling. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what's inside, what it looks like, what it sells, what the AI influencer does, and whether it's worth it. If you've been watching this channel for a while, and if you haven't, check out our earlier Selvia videos in the description. You know how much setup goes into starting an online store. Picking a niche, sourcing products, building the site, setting up ads, figuring out what to post. Most people stall somewhere in that process. The setup is genuinely complex, a lot of moving parts, none of them obvious. The premium store flips that. Instead of building something, you're buying something that's already built. The niche research is done, the product catalog is loaded, the store design is live, the positioning, the branding, the content strategy, all of it is already in place. Your job is promotion. That's it. Everything else is handled. And that's the part most people want to do anyway. Talking about a niche they like, running ads, building an audience. The setup grind is what stops people, and the premium store removes it. So why fashion? The numbers make the case. The US fashion market is worth $373 billion, and that's just the US. The average American household spends about $1,900 a year on clothing and style. And the AI personal styling segment, digital style guides, color analysis tools, wardrobe planners, is growing at 20% a year, projected to hit nearly $8 billion by 2034. Fashion on TikTok alone has crossed 1 trillion views, and that number keeps climbing. The reason this niche works so well for a digital product store is that people aren't just buying clothes, they're buying answers. What looks good on me? What should I pack for this trip? How do I build a wardrobe that works on a real budget? Those questions never have a final answer, which means the demand never goes away. Let's look at the store itself. The design is clean, polished, mobile first, the kind of look you'd expect from a fashion magazine, not a discount marketplace. That matters because the fashion audience is almost entirely on their phones. That kind of presentation builds trust, and trust is what makes people buy. The catalog has 200 digital products, style guides, wardrobe planners, color analysis toolkits, packing guides, capsule wardrobe builders, outfit formulas. Everything delivers instantly. Someone buys, it downloads in seconds. You don't need to manage inventory, shipping, or returns. The catalog covers 16 categories, everything from body and fit guides and color palettes to capsule building, outfit combinations, and summer essentials. There's content for people focused on TikTok and Instagram strategy, creators building a brand, and anyone looking to monetize their style presence. Each category is its own audience, which means each one is a different type of buyer who can come through the store. Every copy of the premium store comes with an AI influencer named Sienna. She's a stylist with a background in classical color analysis, matching clothes to a person's natural coloring. Her aesthetic is quiet luxury, editorial photography, warm neutral tones, daylit settings, the kind of content that looks like it belongs in a magazine. Her content covers color season reveals, capsule wardrobe math, aesthetic identification, destination packing, investment dressing. All topics with real search volume and a paying audience behind them. She shows up consistently, stays in her niche, and never drifts off brand. The face of the brand, the content direction, the personality, it's all there from day one. Building that kind of presence from scratch usually takes 6 months to a year. With this store, it's already done. You can get the store free for 14 days. No charge up front, cancel anytime if it's not for you. After that, it's $99 a month. Every store also comes with a $40 Selvia ads coupon, so the first real ad campaign runs before you've spent anything of your own. That's a solid way to test the niche before you're actually spending. The link is in the description. Go take a look at the store and see what's inside. The Sellvia Premium Store is a tool, an unusually complete one. The niche, the products, the AI influencer, the store design, all of it tested and ready. For someone who's been stuck in the setup phase, this removes what was blocking them. But it still needs someone to run it. The people who do well with this are the ones who show up consistently. posting content, running ads, paying attention to what their audience responds to. The store doesn't run itself. It just means not starting from zero. The work that would take months is already done. That's the real value here. Fashion is a $373 billion market with a demand that never stops. And the Sellvia Premium Store puts a fully built piece of it in your hands. Free to start, $40 ad coupon included. Link is in the description. Subscribe if you want to follow this series. More reviews and breakdowns coming. See you in the next one.